It's a new chapter in India's fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. From Jammu to Delhi to Mumbai to Gandhinagar to Bengaluru, India has started vaccinating those over the age of 45. This comes at a time when India is seeing a sharp rise in COVID-19 cases. You're watching TV9 Digital. I am Adarsh Vepachedu, and in this video, I will be telling you all you need to know about the fourth phase of the world's largest COVID-19 vaccination drive in 9 quick points. Point number 1. Getting registered for the vaccination is easy. You don't need the CoWIN app on your phone. Just visit cowin.gov.in and register yourself through a simple OTP-based verification system. Unlike in the previous phase, where vaccination was for those over the age of 60 and those over the age of 45 but with comorbid conditions, now there is no need for a comorbid certificate as vaccination is open for everyone over the age of 45. You will have to type in details of your photo ID during registration, and the same will be verified before you get your shot. Appointments can be scheduled, rescheduled or cancelled on the same portal. Additionally, you can also register on the Arogya Setu app. Point number 2. You will have to mention your date of birth as it is an age-specific vaccination. You are eligible and will be considered a beneficiary if you are born before 1st January 1977, and you will be given a provisional vaccination certificate after you receive the first dose. Point number 3. Provisions have been made for on-site booking and walk-in registration in this phase. However, this will be done only after 3 p.m. every day. Point number 4. Beneficiaries will be given either Covishield or Covaxin. What's important to mention here is that the centre has affirmed that both the vaccines are equally safe and effective against the UK and Brazilian variants as well. In case you're getting Covishield, then the date of your second vaccination will not be auto-scheduled. You have to choose the date for your second shot in a gap of not more than 4 to 8 weeks. The centre has said that 7 more vaccines will soon be approved for use. Point number 5. Last evening, Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan reviewed preparations for the current phase of vaccination. He assured that there is no shortage of vaccine shots and that the centre will constantly replenish vaccine supplies. He also said that vaccine wastage is expected to be brought down to less than 1%. Currently, vaccine wastage is at around 6%. Point number 6. The centre has asked states not to save vaccines for a second dose, but instead increase vaccination in areas where there is low vaccination, especially in districts that are seeing a rise in COVID-19 cases. Point number 7. From January 16th, when the vaccination drive began, to March 31st, a total of 6.43 crore vaccine doses have been administered. This is far from the target of vaccinating 30 crore people by July. The top 5 states are Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal. Around 92.6 lakh people have been vaccinated with 2 doses as on March 31st. The number of inoculations is set to rise faster in the current phase. Point number 8. India has recorded another massive surge in COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. The country registered 72,330 cases, taking the total COVID-19 tally to 1,22,21,665. Active cases have reached 5,84,055, making India the 5th worst hit country. The death toll is at 1,62,960. The 5 most affected states are Maharashtra, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Around 84.61% of the new cases have been reported from Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Punjab, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Point number 9. The centre has been telling states that test, track, treat is the only way to control the COVID-19 surge. The centre is now seeking effective implementation of this strategy. Individual actions such as the proper wearing of masks, covering nose and mouth, maintaining a distance of 6 feet from others and sanitizing one's hands frequently shall be checked and enforced. While the centre does all it can, it is equally our responsibility to ensure we are following all the COVID guidelines to break the surge of the pandemic. It's a humble appeal from me and my team's end. If you fall under the category of over 45 years of age, get yourself registered immediately. If you're watching this and know someone who falls under the category, spread the word and encourage getting the vaccine shot. Do share this video with your friends, family and colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to TV9 News on YouTube, Instagram and Twitter and Facebook as well. Until next time.